Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best dog grooming brushes that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Hartz Groomer's Best Combo Dog Brush. This is an all-around great everyday brush. It's effective, inexpensive, and versatile. It has two sides. One has stainless steel pins that can help untangle knots and collect loose hair, particularly for dogs with long, curly, or wiry fur, and the other has soft nylon bristles for finishing and for short coats. The bristles help spread your dog's natural oils throughout the coat for shiny, soft hair. We tested the Hartz Groomer's Best Combo Dog Brush on dogs with a variety of coats, including long, fine hair and long, matted hair. The brush performed exceptionally well with both. It worked best on our Border Collie test subject. One tester even noted that it worked well on her dog's thick butt hair. The Hartz brush was less effective for dogs with short hair and also isn't the right tool if you're looking to tame your dog's undercoat. The heads of the pins have rounded tips, so the brush is particularly gentle. Our testers with short-haired dogs didn't collect quite as much fur, but all dogs seem to be less bothered by this brush, particularly the soft bristled side. The brush has a soft rubber handle that makes it comfortable to hold. That's especially important if you have a big dog or one with lots of hair. Like most pin and bristle brushes, it isn't very easy to clean, but it's hardly a deal breaker for the price and versatility. Moving on at number 4, we have the Hertzko Self-Cleaning Slicker Brush. Slicker brushes can be very effective on many types of coats, but they are typically very hard to clean as hair gets caught up deep between the bristles. Like other slickers, the Hertzko brush is designed to remove loose hair and tangles using a brush of closely spaced, slightly bent wire bristles. During brushing, when you've collected a lot of fur, press the release button to retract the pins, letting the discarded hair fall free, ideally over a trash can. Slickers work on nearly every type of coat, but not all dogs like the raking feel of the wires. Be sure to use light pressure and watch sensitive areas. Unlike some slickers and pin brushes, there are no rounded tips on the end of these bristles to protect the skin. Because the bristles are retractable, they don't get bent when you're cleaning the brush or when it gets tossed in a drawer. Slicker brushes aren't necessarily bad, but they are a little rougher than a pin brush and can cause breakage on ears and tails if overused, Cross points out. At number 3, we have the FURminator Medium Dog Undercoat deShedding Tool. There are lots of imitators, and our testers tried a bunch of them, but the FURminator original deShedding tool is more effective and sturdier than the rest. The stainless steel toothy edge moves through the dog's topcoat to pull any loose undercoat hair. There's a curved guard around the blade to keep it from getting too close to the skin. However, some sensitive dogs really get antsy with this brush, and definitely be careful around delicate areas like legs. It's only for use in dogs with double coats because the blade can be irritating next to the skin. Hair just keeps coming and coming the first few times you use the deshedder, which is why this tool has so many fans. Absolutely worth the price, said one tester who tried both the long hair version on her Border Collie and the short hair model on her Pit Bull. It's relatively easy to clean with an ejector button that pushes hair and dandruff out of the blades. There are several versions based on your dog's size and hair type. However, groomers are divided on deshedding tools like these. Although the results can be pretty impressive, they can come with some side effects. When a blade is used to remove undercoat, it frequently causes breakage to the hair which can encourage matting, Cross told the Spruce Pets. They cut through and remove hair that isn't ready to come out yet. At number 2, we have the Zoom Groom Dog Brush. This cute rubber brush really excels in the bathtub. Wet your pup, shampoo, and massage, using circular motions to dredge up the hair. It massages while you're brushing, so pets don't seem to mind it. It works well with all hair types but can cause tangles if you get too zealous when scrubbing fine, long hair. The brush does get a little slippery in the tub and can be tough to hold on to. The Zoom Groom can be used out of the bath too. Again, don't brush straight, but move in circles to remove loose hair. Then use a bristle brush to wipe away everything you collect. This is one of Cross's favorite grooming tools. She uses it on both double coat and smooth coat dogs to remove loose top coat hair, typically after brushing with a pin brush and then a fine-toothed metal comb. And finally at number 1, we have the Bissell Furget-it cat and dog grooming brush. Several of our testers with long-haired dogs loved this two-sided brush best. It is pretty effortless as it slides through a dog's coat, yet it gathers an impressive amount of hair. It wasn't very effective on dogs with medium or short coats. The teeth are rounded, so they're not abrasive. The side of the rake with 9 teeth is best used to first work through mats or tangles. The side with closely set 17 teeth is better for deShedding once the knots are worked out. Dogs that dislike grooming weren't bothered very much by this tool. It's deceptively effective on loose undercoat fur, as well as dead hair and tangles. Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.